In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude Code for almost free. So let's get started. So the method is, first of all you need to do is just head over to giro.dev. I will put link of this website in description box below. Once you're on this page, just head over to sign in button and create your account first. If you don't already have one, you can create your account by any of these. So I will just click on Google and I will create my account from here. I already have an account actually, so I will just log in into that. And now you can see once you're on this page, here you can use almost any model like Claude Sonnet 4.5, Claude Sonnet 4, Sonnet 4, DeepSeek, Minimax, GLM, and we have all the models available here. So now to get your Claude for free, all you need to do is you can actually use it inside this. So first of all, just click on this setting button. Before I show you, let me show you our today's sponsors mails card. If you're sending cold emails, running lead generation or building SaaS products, this tool is actually useful. You can upload a full email list, verify everything in minutes and instantly filter out invalid or risky emails before they hurt your sender reputation. They also have a super fast single email checker and developer API if you want to automate everything, plus it's way more affordable than most email verification tools out there. Check the link in description box below and use the code SHUBOPS to get 500 extra free credit. Link is in description box below. You can check it out. Now let's get back to the video. So to get it for free, all you need to do is just click on this upgrade to Pro for $20 plan. And once you click on upgrade to Pro, and you will see this page. Here you can see $0. It automatically becomes zero. You don't have to pay anything. But now you can see this is the catch what most people don't show you. You still have to pay 85.71 rupees as a taxes. So yeah, you can get it for much cheaper, like original price is around 1900 maybe. So you can get it this for just 85 rupees, where you can access all of these models that I showed you here. You can see these are the models, you can access it. You are basically getting $20 plan for just $1. So that's the catch most people won't show you. They will just show you without putting the address details. So it will show zero, but once you put the address, you have to pay the taxes. So this is how you can get it. It's not actually free, but you can get it for way cheaper than it actually was. So that's how you can do it. That's all for today's video. I hope your confusions are now clear. I will meet you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.